Here's a weird question. Why do we say, "bless you," when someone sneezes? Well, sneezing used to freak people out. In ancient times, people thought your soul might slip out when you sneezed, or that evil spirits could jump in. So saying, "bless you," was basically spiritual armor. Then during the plague, sneezing was a scary early symptom. So "God bless you" became a quick prayer for survival. And today, we say it out of habit, manners, and maybe just a tiny leftover superstition. So the next time someone sneezes, you're really saying, "Hope your soul stays inside. And also please don't be sick."